Sa breeze.
Hello
To say,
everyone, good
say
evening, hello,
bye.
hello. Hello Kazumianak, welcome to stream. Welcome guys, how is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good tonight. I hope you have all eaten na. Hello Pyongyang, thank you, welcome to stream. Thank you for liking the live, thank you. How are you? How's your evening? First, yes, you're the first one right now. Try mo nga magsalita, ano? Ish.
LR.
Ayun, okay.
Why?
Parang feel ko mas malakas pa boses mo kaysa sa boses ko, wait nga lang. Hinaan.
Mababa.
Yan, try, tingnan mo nga. Check mo sa stream. Good, how about
Wait.
you? Ito, kakatapos ka lang mag-dinner. And ngayon, nagpabilaw kay mami ng ng steak, oh. Kaya you have desserts.
Sana all dessert. Blah,
Hello,
blah,
Bonnie.
blah.
Welcome to stream. Welcome. Thank you for the heart, video. Thank you. Currently,
Ubi.
naghahanap
Na.
ako kung sino pwede kong ma-recruit sa pag Valorant.
Go, manghata ka, please.
Sino nga ba?
Pwede mong baba ng onte. Yung
Ha?
boss.
Sakti 20, naka-negative 20 decibels ka na, gagi ka.
Ba't
Nasa kataas pa ng 5 decibels yung boses ko. Ba't rinig ko boses ko sa'yo?
wait lang.
Ayan, try mo nga. Ama-read mo. Nag-i-stack pa lang ako. Ubusin ko lang to. Then mag-dinner na me. Ama-read mo na happy stream play well. Thank you, Avillian. Thank you for the for the rose as well. Thank you. And Florence, welcome to stream. Ako, welcome. Sino ba pwede kong hatangin? Sino ba di ba nagbabalo ngayon?
Sino
Siguro,
nga ba?
onti lang yung nagbabalo sa friends list ko ngayon. Hindi ko nga matandaan ko sino tong I miss her too eh. Siguro. Maybe. Sino ko? Ren, Manabano.
Sino daw? Wala siyang mahatak.
Mapapasabak tayo ng tayong dalawa lang.
Oh no! That's not good.
Bakit? Why
Pag
is
may
it?
isang magaling, kawawa yung randos sa akin.
Obseb. Ano nasa shop mo ngayon? Mami Oni na na Ares.
Oh, I have the Phantom sa shop ko.
I have, Recon Phantom, tapos Sino Hunter na knife, tapos Araxis na naman, na Vandal. Ay,
Hindi
plug
siya
it.
nasa shop.
Yan nga eh. Ewan ko kung bakit. Wait lang. Okay. Ano sa Godita Ron? Hindi available siguro. Mukhang tayong dalawa nga lang ata mapapasabak.
R.I.P. bro.
RIP sa Randos.
Yeah, R.I.P. sa randos.
Sino pa ba? Wait lang. Tinan ko kung makakata ko to.
Wala si Mira for the first time.
Mention ko na pero wala eh. Hindi pa rin nag-reply.
Tulog pa kaya yun? Is that
Baka.
even possible?
Minsan nga diba, kailan ba yun? 11 o'clock siya gising. Hello Tricia, baka sa stream ako.
Bagay.
Welcome. You never know talaga.
sleep schedule's crazy.
Yung ako talaga makakatakot na si ano. Ala, oh no. Oh no. Ay, wait, ito si Wait, try ko nga.
Si what?
Nashi.
Nashi?
Yeah. Kapag naghihintay, nakakain ako ng cake ko.
Sana all nagutom tuloy ako. I only had pizza.
Ay, kapon din. Pizza yung dinner ko. Anong pizza kinain mo?
I don't know. Hindi ko alam yung flavor. Basta kung ano lang meron dyan na
Homemade?
heatable pizza.
Ah.
Hindi. Yung binibili lang na frozen pizza sheet.
Okay. Ano yung nasa topping niya? Ano yung toppings niya?
Beef yata yung beef cheese.
Ah.
I miss Domino's.
Thank you for the heart with tissue. Thank you.
Chicken
Kamusta ka?
barbecue pizza. Oh my god.
Gusto ko tuloy na SNR na pizza.
Oh my god, ang tagal ko nun hindi kumakain ng gano'n kasi napakamahal.
Mahal yan dyan?
Walang SLR dito.
Ay, sabi ko nga.
Costco siya dito.
Oh. Ito pala, online pala si ano eh. Si Nashi. Ewan ko lang si Nashi ba yung naglalaro niya yun o hindi. Nashi, wanna play after dark. Nasa DM siya ngayon eh. Deathmatch. Tagal ko na pala hindi nakakapag-deathmatch na.
Deathmatch as in yung deathmatch na 1v1?
Oo.
1v9?
Oo.
Ako rin. Mas gusto ko na team deathmatch ngayon.
Same. Same.
What are
Yun.
you doing? Sali siya?
Until 9 p.m. daw siya.
What time na? Isang swift play?
Siguro isang Andra. Hello, Kekyo. Welcome to the stream. Hello, Nashi.
Hello guys, hello Sid.
Hello, hello. Streaming ako right now.
Hello.
So, yan. Diretso Andra na ba tayo?
Go.
Okay. Ano, G ka na, Nashi?
What?
G
Can
ka
you
na?
repeat that again?
Are you
Sige lang, start na lang.
Okay. Parang kanina pa ako kain ng steak ko, pero may di pa ako natitira dito. Ay, no. Okay, actually, no. Hindi visit. This is a good thing. Kala ko apat.
Kain ka lang.
Kala ko apat na lang
Hindi ka
natitira eh.
makakain yan.
Ha?
I thought you have a whole tub of steak ko.
Hindi. Saan po pinapabili ko kay mami?
Mamay.
Ano, mami tawag ko eh. Bakit pa?
Bakit? Parehas lang naman.
Parang ano eh, minamak mo ko eh.
Oh, hindi. Yan yung tawag ko.
Kung ano,
You gonna be like that.
sa lola ko kasi tawag ko mama.
Match
Kung inasal
found.
namin yung lola ko, mudra or mother. Text ko ron.
Korod. Ako naman, sa lola ko, sa father side, tsaka mama ko. Pareho mami.
Oh, tulak yung dalawa.
Oh, are we in, Singapore?
Ay, hindi ko. Manila ata. Go for Omen.
Go for
Dali ako kausap.
I am the beginning. I am the end.
At least yan, no? Hindi icebox or ano. Or breeze.
fracture, you mean?
Ah, oo.
Icebox and
Ah,
fracture.
ayun, icebox and fracture. Sabi ko, hindi, alam ko, ano, medyo okay ako sa breeze eh. Alimutan ko yung isang ano eh. Yung fracture pala. Hmm. Hmm. Dadalhin ko yan yung kabila.
Road ba naman?
Road medyo okay, road medyo okay pa ako. Pag ano,
This one.
pag icebox at ano na, at yung fracture, wag na lang.
Auto dodge.
Oo.
Ala, may sky. Ba't ang dami na lang flash?
Agay, tatlo. Actually,
What
apat.
hope do
Daming
these
flash.
criaturas have?
Oh.
I almost pity them.
Ah. Diyos ko po, matanda talaga tong ano, mga kaibigan ko.
Bakit?
Kasi ano, di ba pa yung sa ako ni Aya, sabi hindi nga siya makakad dahil sa body aches na daw.
Oo.
Kasi na-just ko mag-ano siya, mag-ano siya, mag-ice pack siya kasi yun yung turo sa amin sa ano, hydrotherapy.
Mm.
Tapos sabi niya nakasalampas daw siya. Baka sunod daw niya ni Strayuma na. Ano talaga sila dito?
They're going A. No? Oh, they're pushing. Holy shit.
Cover going out.
Sorry.
Okay.
Di ko alam kung
Spike down,
ano.
B.
Gusto na ako makikinig ang dami kasi. Yung Spider pati sa ano.
Shit.
Last player standing.
Oh.
Sa baba.
Oh,
Ted.
na-TP.
Insight.
Oh.
One enemy
Nice
remaining.
one.
3 killed.
Spike planted.
Clutch it.
I got this. Nice.
Ay, isang bullet
Oh
lang
my
natitira.
Kung hindi ko
Wala yan.
pala
Easy,
pinatay
easy.
yung sky, makaka-ace ka.
Eh? Oh my gosh, oo nga, no.
Yeah.
Clutch.
Ox lang yun.
I killed.
Ay, na isang bullet lang talaga natira dun, gagi.
One bullet and a dream.
Omsem. Importante, buhay.
Yes.
mhm.
Slay.
Bakit
Ano?
ano? Di ko ma-repost yung ano mo.
Ano ba?
Ha?
Ano lumalabas?
Ano? Connect your foes.
Ah, ba't kayo?
Hindi ka kaya Shadowban?
Siguro.
Daria can use.
Yeah, I think Shadowban ka.
Agay.
Shadows traveling.
Be pushing.
No noise here, son. After,
Oh,
go.
they're in B.
Hello, Vinny Mahalushi. Happy streaming, Lord. Thank you.
Only ano. tawag doon? Trigger discipline.
One enemy remaining.
No info on that. Probably on site.
On site, on site. On site.
There.
Pupunta siya sa akin.
Going.
Nice.
Kill.
Ano baril niya? Guardian.
Guardian.
Sorry, wala pa kami dyan. Wala pa kami dyan sa
Alright, same thing
kakagising
this
ko lang.
time.
Huh?
It's fine, bro.
I just woke up and may collab ako mamaya with Sashi, Gloriam,
Ooh, okay.
Trixu, and Shion.
Ano magano kayo? Ano nga ba yun?
5 man, Balo.
Oh, okay. Ito na yung warm-up mo para dun.
Di pang, ayaw ko, medyo low sanity ako ngayon.
Barrier created.
Be careful on A. Got this.
Shadows traveling. Cover going out.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Nice.
Thank you.
They're supposed to be fighting back, right?
The
Try mo
Guardian is
kung
growing
mag-restream, baka baka error lang yan sa sa TikTok.
Okay, wait.
Yan. Try mo lang mag-restream.
Streaming na ulit. Tingin ko lang sa Cypher dito. Excuse me.
Going B?
Shadows traveling.
Spike
There, dito yung
down
spike on the
B.
defense.
Okay.
Nice kill. Nice one.
Tapos mo.
Puro sila.
Puta, bobo, sorry.
Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Ayan. Na-repost ka na.
Okay.
I was checking your stream.
Watching this spot.
30 seconds left.
Baka saving na to.
Yep.
One enemy remaining.
Holy shit. Saan siya nag-TP?
I'm here, buddy.
Don't worry.
Let's go.
Reloading.
Hello, Ray.
Remember.
Hello, Fashion Mars. Nakadashima ko.
Keeping this Guardian hanggang mamatay ako.
Stop. Hello. Is it Phantom time or Vandal time?
Phantom.
Let's do Phantom probably.
Blub yung gamit mo ngayon.
Blub.
Yeah, yung Neptune. Yun kasi tawag namin ni blub.
Who's next?
There's someone on A.
There's some nag-smoke.
Shadows traveling.
Oh my god.
Important. My ultimate is ready.
Nice try, Jet. Nice try.
One enemy remaining.
Nice kill.
Ayun.
I got this.
Magbe-bait ako, Zed.
Alam niya na nandito na ako.
We. Okay.
Last
Ah, puta.
player standing.
Sorry.
I've got your
It's hurt,
trail.
it's hurt.
My bad.
NT, NT.
Ay, ace
Nice
niya.
try, nice try.
Anti.
I find them. I kill them. Simple as that.
I think it's Vandal time muna.
Go Bandal. Someone lives on the server.
On B?
Or
Gusto nyo bang switch tayo ng server per so hindi mag-lag masyado?
Pwede naman after ito. Firefox solution.
Spike down B.
oh, holy shit. Oh, he's just running it down.
No bullets. Thank you.
One enemy remaining.
No yung on the Phoenix.
Flawless.
Never mind.
Nice.
Miserable creature.
There's a blubber.
Hello,
Oh,
Toji.
hello,
Baka
Toji.
na siya. Welcome.
Once more.
Ay, putix! Nahulog yung ano ko.
I'm not
Booster
tired.
ko. Hello, hello,
Are
good
you?
evening.
Hello, Tojiki.
Blah 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 blah.
Ah, nag-mid ako.
Actually, I don't know.
Nandiyan na kayo. Mid na kayo.
I don't know.
Hello, hello, Toji. How are you? How's your
Hello,
evening?
Tojiki.
Happy streaming. Thank you, Toji.
I'm just going around.
And she waddled away. Waddle, waddle.
Wall race.
Alam mo ko pa
Waddle.
Naalala ko lang yung waddle na yan dahil sa kaklase ko.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Bakit ano ba meron sa waddle?
Cover going out.
Eh,
Oh my god. Ang tagal na niyan ah.
hindi. Kasi it's more so ano. Wait lang. Nandito sila sa iyo.
Go on, keep your time.
Cover going
Take your
out.
time.
Thank you for the
Flanking.
Reloading.
One
Oh, the
enemy
timing is
remaining.
actually crazy.
Spike down A.
Reloading.
smoke.
Flawless.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Nice.
Thank you.
Wow.
Ayun, wala ka na ito,
embarrassing.
The timing is actually crazy, bro.
Pero yun
What the
nga.
hell was that?
Kasi ano, tawag ito.
Things
Yung paglakad ng isang teacher namin, parang parang waddle ng penguin.
Ah.
Kaya pag nakikita namin
Oh,
siya
ganda.
pag nakikita namin siya maglakad nung kaklase ko, sinasabi namin, waddle, waddle.
Water, water.
Actually,
Naman.
sinasabi ko, she's waddling right now. Tapos sasabihin nung kakantay nung kaklase ko,
Mhm.
waddle, waddle.
I didn't know you're the type of
Sorry naman. Oh, yung teacher.
Ikaw masama.
Oh, yung teacher na yun, yung nagsabi sa akin na kasing itim ako ng map namin, gagi.
Oh,
Oo,
Okay lang, bawi.
itim ng bat.
oo, ng map.
Ah,
Puta. Ano na? Ingatan nandito.
shadows traveling.
I'm going.
What makes mo kata?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here.
Can you shoot this, Cypher? Shoot that. Ah, okay. Just making sure. Okay.
Wait lang sila kasi ano, pag nila yung
One dead.
There.
Wait,
Spike
pushing.
down A.
Oh.
Reload.
Oh my god.
shit.
Puta, 40 yung
Last
spy.
player
Ay, yung
standing.
sky.
Wait.
Nice!
Oh my god, let's go Cypher.
Hell
Let's go
yeah.
Cypher.
Forget, I've always been a killer. They will scurry, and then they will die.
Na-headshot ako nung sage nila dahil
Huh. Sage diff ba? Sage diff. O hindi,
HD.
Grabe.
hindi actually hindi. Magkano kayo eh. Napag lang.
On par kami, no?
Tom-
With ping dip pa.
Home sim. Oh, yun. Di ba mataas ang ping mo?
Oo. May advantage siya. Ako wala.
Kasi isang kill lang agad.
Oh my god, my pulse.
Marami sila doon.
Yeah,
Yep.
so,
Kompleto sila.
wait, saan mag-aano yun?
Shadows traveling.
Hindi pwede yan. I-revive.
Nothing.
Spike planted. One enemy remaining.
Diffuse.
Okay na pala.
Reloading.
Nice.
Was that important?
Ano Ramax sa Harushi? Tangke ba Harushi mas gawa ko?
The symphony of death. Don't worry, you get used to it.
Ayun nga, yung context doon sa ano, yung sa kasing itim ko yung map. Nakain lang ako noon ng pandesal, nagre-review noon kasi may ewan ko na kung exam ba yun or quiz. Biglang ano, nandun yung teacher namin sa ano, sa room namin. Nagko-comment siya doon sa isang klase. Tapos biglang sinabi sa ano, kaklase ko, "Hoy, palitan niyo nga yung map niyo." Parang ano, kasing itim ni naghanap ng estudyante ni Zed. Sabi ko, "Ma'am,
Parang,
nakain lang ako nun."
parang ang bad naman nun.
I mean, to be fair, sanay na ako sa ano yun. Sanay na ako sa pag-ano nun sa akin. Paborito ko nun eh.
Howard then mid going A. Be careful. Sec.
They're here. That stage is here. And the one is sage.
Isa pa lang nandito.
The one na si sage?
Spike planted.
Shall I
Oh my
bait
God.
for you? Oh shit!
One on the corner and entry,
I've got your trail.
and one inside.
Oh, may ult siya. Parang di ko nakita.
Watch them run.
Oh, fuck. You don't swing that off?
Putik.
Player standing.
My bad. Damn, kulang na lang ng isang damage ko kay Sky,
That's what
69 na.
rewards at least one of us.
It was 68 damage. Reset.
I am sure that might be bad, but I'm sure that it's true. Cause I think you're so cute. And I'm not
Naka-off si Jot pag mid ko. Ay, ba't biglang nag-ano?
Here.
Cover going out.
Holy, finake nito.
Sebon, magbantay ka lang dyan. Ano, magbabantay
Yeah,
dito.
mayroon dito.
Here.
Meron pa isa.
Putex, 80 na yan. 80. Wala nakita ko.
One enemy remaining.
No
Spike
info.
down A.
I'll bait.
Nice!
I
Nice.
don't die so easily.
I love the talking about this.
Last round in the half.
Don't be cheap. Spend it all before it's gone.
I'll see if I can do fun. Ulit. Oh my gosh, Nish, we're not doing bad.
Oh my god, imagine. We love to see it.
Snuff them
It's
out.
in the air. Ba mag-compare ako mamaya sa EU?
Whoa! I mean,
Joke lang.
depende pa sa second
Joke
game.
lang. Yun lang. Holy shit, what are we doing?
Who's next?
Manggagaling sa mid.
Cover going out.
Joke's over! You're dead!
Holy shit, wait.
Disappear.
This one on the right side.
Ah!
Kaputa!
Player standing.
Ay,
Remove.
bad, bad,
Ano
bad.
ko, aim ko natutulog bigla.
You
I
will
mean,
not
hindi
kill
naman
my
niya pa yung
ally.
problema,
Spike
pero
planted.
baril ko. I don't know what happened to my gun. My gun is betraying me so much.
Ano magamit mo? Odin?
Bandal.
Allah.
Oh,
Holy
grabe.
shit. Nakakatakot to.
Tinis ang tutok na sa Odin.
Ay,
NC Cypher NC.
Ah!
Switching sides.
Oh, 9 pa yun.
Look for my shadows. They will hide you.
Tatamaan kaya tayo ng curse. Tatamaan kaya tayo ng curse.
Can you repeat that again?
Tatamaan ba tayo ng curse?
Tatamaan ba
Curse?
tayo ng
Oh!
curse?
9-3.
9-3 curse.
Yeah. Ano siyang iwan
Ah,
siya?
curse.
Siguro, probably.
Oh no. Good luck sa atin.
We got this. Don't worry.
Basta yung compare ko
We
kanina,
Will
pangit
reveal
yung...
their
Ay,
secret.
kagabi, pangit yung KD ko.
Nakinig na naman ako sa tele.
Is this
Partner?
one,
Partner left.
Shadows traveling.
Reloading.
Reloading.
What's up, my guy?
Cover going out.
Wall raised.
Planted the spike.
One enemy remaining.
No info?
Enemy
Here.
spotted A.
Flawless.
Nice one.
No one left to send a message. Oh well.
It's the club, ano?
And I need a
Oh.
return.
Ghost.
Ah,
Club ghost.
May nadaan pa ng truck dito.
There.
May dumadaan pa ng truck dito.
Kaya ko nga lang natin napansin. Gulat nga kayo, parang bata nakakita ng helicopter na dumadaan.
Hindi sa mga airplanes.
Airplanes. One more.
Enemy down.
Where? Oh, where?
Ayun,
Oh,
saksan ko saan.
nagulat ako.
Ah, putik!
Ay, shit! Tayo na nasa right side.
One enemy remaining.
nice, nice, nice.
The enemy only looks
Uh-huh.
composed.
Reloading.
Heart's still a good story.
Ay!
Oh,
The
okay.
Packers
Oh,
win.
okay.
Rest now.
Nice.
I will keep watch.
Tamang-tama, nahihina ako. Wait lang.
Go lang, go lang.
Hello, I have returned. Okay, next round. Yun na guys, or ano?
One more.
Yeah,
Are we good na?
yeah, I'm ano, Gina? Ano si Gina?
Jing, para hindi mahirapan si Akira, never mind.
Bakit? Ah, yung nga
Nakita
pala,
ko pala
yung
lang.
ano, yung Singapore, no?
I don't know, yung internet na kasi in Singapore,
Yeah.
paano naman?
Okay. Yeah, Singapore na lang.
Sa ibang continent kasi.
Understandable, understandable.
Thank you for showing live, Sir G. Thank you. How's your evening pala? How are you? My gosh, bibili ko pa pala yung Battle Pass. Para lang,
Alam mo ba, may naisip akong challenge sa'yo.
ano?
Like, if nanalo tayo sa Mumbai server, kasi 100 MS dun, baka tataasan ko yung pambili mo ng ano.
Oo eh.
Yeah. Kaso, sabi mo, gumive up ka na.
Ay, kung ibalik ko,
Oo.
ano? Or pag tayong dalawa na lang.
Ang
Tayong
alin.
dalawa na lang.
Oh, kasi di ba nga pala kasi sa akin, si Akira na kung kung manalo daw kami sa kung manalo tayo kami sa Mumbai server, tatasan daw niya yung yung ibibigay niya sa akin para dun sa sa Every.
Oh, wow. Oh, sige, tara. Pwede naman.
Sige. Okay.
No, I support you.
Yay.
Let's go.
No, but gifting
Mahalag.
suspended and live vis will be restricted. I didn't even do anything. Hindi pa nga ako nagbumura. Reason. Feature continuous and monotonous actions without clear objectives of sustaining engagement. What do you mean?
Huh? May
Appeal.
ganun.
Saan? Sa ano?
Sa TikTok.
Ewan ko. Ang weird ng TikTok for a couple of days na.
So, bahala na. I will not be receiving gifts na lang for this stream mo.
Match found.
Ayoko na mag-restream ulit. Abyss, agoy. Sige.
Abis, agoy.
Ano kaya? Should I, I'll smoke na lang.
Yung guarantee natin naman nanalo.
Oh man. Kasi yun palagi akong gamit recently. Hi guys! Double na no.
I am the end.
Din dating ang ini. Ini mini, mini mo.
Hindi ko alam kung sino gagamitin ko.
Sino ba, ayaw mo ba, nag-iini ka ba?
I mean, yeah.
I mean,
Lahat naman ng agent na ano,
we can use...
hindi ka alam kung sino gagamitin.
Kayo na lang kayo. Kasi parang mas maayos
I
yung...
mean, true.
mas
Yeah,
mara-
para ma-disable yung kalaban.
mas maayos yung knife niya compared sa... ano, Recon ni Sova. Naalala ko tuloy yung ano, yung Sova Recon ni ano, ni Akira. Dito sa
Hindi ko
Abyss.
nga minimension.
Ano,
Yun nga yung naaalala ko yung taon 300.
dire-diretso sa Abyss yung ano, diretso pababa yung ano niya, Recon.
Your party
Ay, just...
Ayun,
delves
nag-random
into the
tayo.
more
Ata.
jagged
Kikrib talaga ako sa ano, Nutella. Oh my god.
a secret
Ah,
Kukuha lang ako saglit.
but most
Nutella, sana all.
can't forever.
Azeroth, welcome. How are you? How's your evening?
I've been eating like Nutella and
Oh?
bread for like a couple of days now. I don't know. My
Thank-
cravings are just
Oh my God,
Penny.
may e-dater dito.
Or do what trio putix. Why are we saving sa ano?
That's
Valo,
for-
yes. Do you want to play Valo after this? Ano, Azeroth? Dito ko na lang. Okay.
going A.
Spike down A. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Wow.
We're winning.
Don't jinx it, please.
Don't jinx it.
Yes, we're
This
winning.
good doesn't
Nakasala yung ano ko
Now
dito.
do it again.
No, we're winning.
Okay.
What if hindi ko muna bayaran yung Lazada ko para makabili ako ng skin?
Yun naman ganun, mamaya.
4K.
Pag ganun.
Ay. The things I do.
It begins.
The things I do for Valorant is insane.
It's Ebony, no? The magical deal, charot. Nope, it's okay. I'm hanging with
Man.
my RL. Okay, okay.
Okay, nasa
Going?
taas ng...
Spike down A.
Shadows traveling.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Last enemy take it out.
Thank you.
Let's make a plan, then
Ah.
execute.
Visit, ano naman trip na to ni ano? ni TikTok?
Yes. Ah, okay. I'm so sorry, okay? I didn't mean to.
Sabi ko sana
My
doon
bad,
ako,
my bad.
sabi sana doon ako sa A, tas pares pa rin. Kung ganun, pares pala kami yung call.
I was trying to blind myself.
Ah, Phoenix mid.
Who will die?
Shutting them down. Grenade. Point suppressed.
Spike down mid.
Spike, man. Nice trade.
Who will die?
Shadows traveling.
Smoke ko pala yung ano. Yung... Sorry. Going B sila most likely.
Ay, shit! Sino yun? Si ano, si Blue.
Oh, look, going A na.
We're vibing.
Spike planted.
Ah, puta ina mo! Nagulat ako dun.
Jump scare ako.
I'm streaming right now.
Hello, Kazu.
One enemy remaining.
Are you still down to Valor? Or are you guys like in
I'm,
game?
yeah, we're in game right now. 2-0.
What's the score?
2-0.
Cutting their vision.
Is that Swift or?
Anra. Ooh!
Okay then. I'll wait.
Okay,
I'll wait. I'll just like talk to my chat
Okay.
because I'm dual streaming as well.
Ooh, nice.
Multi stream. Yeah. I'm also in
Blood.
Twitch right now.
If I act superior, it's because I am.
I'll just defend.
Alright,
Reyna, I
alright.
acknowledge your performance. Brimstone
Grab
ordered
the
me to.
draw. Thank you.
I need this.
Okay,
Thank
so-
you.
What is happening?
We got this. We got this.
Putex!
Oh,
35 yung close.
Right here. On my mark.
Mga guardian yun. Both on site na.
Radiant kill.
My turn.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Bro, save.
Fragment. Suppressing. Flashbang.
One enemy remaining.
3 kills.
Ay! Sayang.
Almost. Almost.
It's okay.
Reyna.
Oh
time to
my god.
hunt.
Almost. Almost, bro. No. It's not almost, you know. It's like what 1 milliseconds before defusing.
Literal na 1 millisecond na lang eh.
Reyna, unleash your power.
Huwag ka mag-push dito
Here?
sa ano.
Eh?
Hmm.
One here. Owie.
ouch.
You want to
Spike
play?
planted.
Let's
Ah.
play.
What?
I thought they was together.
Return to dust.
Last
Oh, thanks.
player standing.
My city needs me. I can't be away for long. Let's end this quickly.
Hmm.
What is happening?
Magiging ako.
We got this. Don't do so.
Cover going out.
Ay! I'm gonna stick low dito. Okay.
Right here. Wow.
Spike down mid.
Codex 122. Oh man.
What was that? I did.
What?
Apparently Komi is in my account right now.
There.
Oh?
Mabugo.
Yeah, Komi is in my. Yeah. So I cannot play.
Wait, is it the
Be
I
careful,
miss her
Lee.
too?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, that was you!
I need healing.
I was like, sino to?
That's me.
Be careful on B, Reina.
Hello, Echo Knight.
I need healing.
Yeah, that's me on Valorant.
Healing.
Yeah, so I cannot
B,
really play.
B
right now.
already, B.
Probably
B, 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 B,
later, I guess.
That's okay.
30 seconds left.
I don't have passes now.
Oh, okay then.
Good attempt. My ultimate is ready.
Spike planted.
Okay then, I'll head up.
Target
Okay.
dead.
Enemy spotted.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my god, let's go.
RGX ko ata yan eh.
Oh, yo, Reina, look at this.
My ult na. Hello.
Yak mo lang.
This is our home.
Nice one.
Bro.
If I power down, we start. You leave me for
Uh,
scrap. I'll
Gusto nyo
kill you.
Need a
RGX?
drop.
That was my RGX, pero go sa'yo na lang. You know, you get it. Sa'yo yan.
Need a drop. Thank you.
Samsamnida. Although you need it more than I do.
I will
No,
rip
no,
the
no, no, no.
light
It's
from
alright,
them.
it's alright.
Ano is this?
Right here. Enemy spotted.
105.
Enemy spotted.
Mid. Careful here.
Your duty is bottom.
Agay.
Thank you.
What? What?
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Putex.
Naalidbar ano ako sa sa buhok.
Bigla nag-crowd.
Katali ako ng buhok.
Now I know why Mira, kung ba't naman ito sa first stage si Mira pag dawi, bigla nagka-crouch.
Oo.
Mahinto ako bigla kasi yung buhok ko bumabak sa kwet. Tatali ako ng buhok.
Long hair ka ba?
Long hair ako.
Oh.
Yun ko, yun buhok ko hanggang almost baba na.
Thank you.
Almost chin na yun yung hair ko.
I need this. Thank you.
That was my fucking... bigay mo yung bandit ko, gagi. Great, I only have a pistol.
A site?
On my mark. I'm watching here.
Scatter.
Kaya ito mag-i-scan.
Spike planted.
$29 close.
One enemy remaining.
You had your fun.
Ah, putex!
One enemy remaining.
Nice one. Let's go.
Hi, Mama Pishimi. Thank you, Nak. Thank you.
Reloading.
Kamusta na? Kamusta?
Ah, Reyna, can you take the OP?
May sensitive ba din sa akin nag-love yung ano ko?
Please,
Yung-
can you take the OP? Please.
What do you call that?
Thank you.
Time to stock
Oh
back
my-
up.
Now I hate you.
Bakit?
I hate you, Reyna. Hindi na kinuha yung OP.
Nish pa.
I need
Bro,
this.
thank you.
Thank you.
Omen smoke here. In ano, in A. Omen here.
Here.
No peeking.
We can retake. I have
Ah, putix!
Enemy
Spike planted.
Thanks for the trade. Ah, dito pa pala na trade. Nice, nice. Oh. Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Flashbang.
Nice. Bakit?
Caution.
Take the spike.
Thank you.
So, yeah.
Yo, you're gonna chill out, buddy. Buddy, chill out.
Chill out. Chill.
If
Yun
you've
nga eh.
never seen another,
No, it's too
this is what
soon.
it looks like.
Nakaaway.
Basta ayoko na mag-mid shoot. Ha? Tatot na mi.
Look at this. Six, 7. I hate myself.
Why? Ba't wala na sa A? Sabi ko ayoko na mag-mid.
Probably.
Enemy spotted. Med.
Spike down mid.
Spike
Thank you, thank you.
Med. That's a kill.
Cover going out.
Reloading.
Here.
Babas ka, putix.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Nandiyan yan, nandiyan yan. Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Omen po kayo, Omen. Up! Nice.
Nice kill.
They have seen our power.
Nagulat ako ano, biglang nag-OTP sa harap ko.
Ah, I saw that.
Look up their options.
Huh?
Make mistakes.
I saw that, buddy. Nahulog. Last minute nahulog siya.
Ah.
Yeah, I saw that, buddy. You got no excuse. No.
Titignan mo yung score natin, ano? Nish.
6-7.
Shadows traveling.
Raise dito. Hello, no? Putex, 34 raise. Here. Hello, Fiza Marushima ko.
Planting?
Spike planted.
Knife deployed. One suppressed. Grenade out. Flash.
Fire in the hole!
Nice!
Sayang,
Nice.
napanood sana ako.
Ain't no way nag-abandon yung ano
Last
natin.
round before the switch.
Blown up. We're not coming back.
Who needs
My
a buy?
ult's ready.
Kaaway kasi ng Reyna yun, ano, yung clove natin.
Yung siyang, iyan naman, yung A naman yung i-close mo. Mag-A ka naman din. Parang pati ka palagi ganun sa ano. Nasa B.
May dalawang smoker dyan.
Ah.
Wala ko mahulog ako, gagi. Barrier cracked. Back like I never left!
Oops, sorry.
Cover going out.
Nice kid.
Scatter.
Ako, text ATU Omen in ano.
Saan siya?
A security. A-link pala, sorry.
Spike down mid. One enemy remaining.
Drop in a smoke.
Nice!
Switching
Parang
sides.
biglang humina ang boses mo sa akin. Ish.
Outside of this gig,
Yan ba?
immortality doesn't have as many day-to-day benefits as you think.
Huh. Buti yung clove natin, kahit bata, mabait. Kasi hindi ano, maayos naman maglaro.
Ewan ko, nag-aaway silang dalawa eh.
Noong una, I love you pa yung
Reloading.
dalawa yun, tapos biglang, ha? What?
Gun here.
Suppressing.
Drop in a smoke.
Going out. One suppressed. Shadows traveling. Bad guy down.
$26.
Carrier is dead.
Putex!
Spike down
Saan
A.
yun?
Last player standing.
Sa right side mo.
Kita sana kasi ako, pala dumiretso na ako sa heaven. My bad. Winnable to, kaya.
In the name of Hamsin.
Hello, Chow. Welcome to Shima. Welcome. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good.
$30 left.
Rosame, anak. Welcome sa stream. Welcome. Hello. Wait na lang. Habang naghihintay tayo dito, CR muna at kukunin ko yung phone ko.
10 seconds left.
Catch your breath. Not that I need to, of course.
March through them.
Hindi ako nakabili ng armor, putex. Mga yung anak mo na isa. Sino dun? Wait lang.
Ay, sa A ba tayo?
Saan ba? ARB.
Right here.
Wait lang, wait lang. Go A, go A, go A.
Go A.
Go A, go A. Don't go there.
Spike down B.
Shadows traveling.
Ah, putex! Ah, check ang messenger later. Mas
Last
tapos
player
ka parang
standing.
hirap. My bad, my bad.
You got this!
Flashbang.
30 seconds left.
Anti-anti. There's yun, say yung public. Sige, sige, sige.
I'll shut them down. Until then, survive.
Nashi, Nashi.
Yeah.
Vandal or Phantom?
Go Vandal.
Ikaw, hindi, para sa'yo.
Ano,
No, 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 no.
Guardian ako.
Sure ka?
No. Keep it, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yep, I'm good.
I have your back.
Yeah? What's wrong, buddy?
Nothing.
No peeking. No peeking.
Knife deployed. One suppressed.
Go,
Cover going out. Shadows traveling.
plant, don't hide it.
Wall raised. Spike planted. Here, catch.
Patay tatlo na dito. Ah, putex! Trade me.
One enemy remaining.
Down. My ult is ready.
Nice.
Everyone's motor functions okay? I know humans get tired.
Ano, dailies ko nga pala sa ano. Dailies yung ano ko. Daily login ko sa Asus. Ish pa, bro.
I need this.
Ah,
I need this. Thank you.
Through the calm, I see.
I need this.
Through the storm, I fight. Drop in a smoke.
Oh my god, my aim.
Shadows traveling.
Spike planted.
Cover going out.
Here, catch. Dropping smokes.
Ah, putex!
Last player
181,
standing.
nice.
One enemy remaining.
Ay!
Back like I never left.
Ah, ganyan.
Ay, nakal.
Nice one actually.
Oh, nice. Oh,
Not back.
I will take back
masakit
what
na
is
balikod mo,
mine.
Nashi.
Hindi pa kasi ako nakapag ano.
Ah,
Hindi pa kasi ako nakapag warm up eh. Dahil siya
I
agad
need
sa
this.
computer.
Thank you.
bye-bye.
I need this. Thank you.
Kamsamnida. Oh my gosh, gumagaling na si Akira. Okay, nagiging bot front.
Dropping smoke.
Gagi. Wala ka lang sa
Shadows traveling.
Nice trade.
Shadows.
Ah, putex!
Can you reset me? Can you reset me?
Systems restored. Still shining.
My ultimate is ready.
One supply.
Ayun, thank you.
OP? Tower?
Nandito.
My turn.
Charges.
sa taas.
On tower?
Last
Oh,
player
putex!
standing.
80 na yun.
No time?
Oh,
Boom.
Yung mouse ko.
Clutch.
nice,
Nice one, nice one.
Mouse ko sa keyboard.
Match point.
It's been
OMG,
grand.
Zen.
Oh my gosh.
And people take more, so let's finish this thing.
Hindi ako magbabayad ng ano.
Don't
Reloading.
jinx it. Don't jinx
I
it.
need this.
Don't jinx it.
Wala ko sinabi. Bibiling ko lahat.
Oo nga, pero like ano, at least, ano, malalas yung burden ko. Burden?
Yeah, legit.
Burden yarn.
Burden.
Parang pag sinabing ano, parang possible na marinig
Their
virgin.
nightmare.
Ay, Mari. Mari. Mari ako, pal.
Have one of these.
At this point, sanay na yung mga tao sa kagaguhan ko.
Enemy spotted A.
Ay,
Reloading.
going A ba?
No peeking.
One enemy remaining.
No info on Omen. Probably planking. Mid, I think.
Cover going out.
Ah,
Here.
konta din na yan. Yun ano, in nest.
GG's.
GG, guys.
Nahulog.
Nice.
Attackers win.
Nice.
Nice one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Is Daiburi ano, dream na makukuha ko na.
Possible.
Probably.
Magkano
Possible.
magkano ba dadagdag mo? Oh, like how much PR? Ano to? How much?
Sharing you 4K.
Whoa!
Okay, that's it for me for now.
Bye.
GG's, guys.
Bye bye, Nashi. Thank you.
Nice
Thank you so
game, nice
much.
game, GG's.
GG's.
5K? 4K. So, 950 lang kailangan ko. OMG! Wait.
Yeah.
Wait lang. Pati mo ginawa ko sa donor ko ng 300 muna.
Kasali ba si Kazu?
Ay, oo nga pala. Wait. Kazu. Just finish our game. I think, 342 ata na lang kailangan ko. OMG ka! Seryoso ba?
Yeah, yeah.
Yay!
Para sa Mumbai server.
Charot.
Have to log in per account.
Wait. Chotomate, ilang araw na lang ba to? 4 days. Pwede chat ko tita ko. Tita, yung allowance ko po. Oo nga, no, kasi sabihin ko baka may kailangan akong bayaran para sa, OJT ko. Oo. Oo.
Go, sister. Kaya mo yan.
GG's, thank you, Asher. Asher, Nashi, thank you. Wait lang, I shall get water muna. Be right back.
Gora.
Okay, I have returned. Ngayon sabihin sana ako, nakalimutan ko ano sasabihin ko.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Doon ba yung visit na appeal na yan? Pwede pag-stream na lang kaya ako. Kasi parang wala din eh. No?
Alit, bakit? Anyari sa'yo?
Na visibility restricted tapos ano.
Shadow ban ka nga.
Yun nga. Hindi, pero Shadowban kasi hindi sinasabi sa iyo. Eto, talaga restricted talaga.
What happened?
Hindi ko nga alam, di pa nga ako masyado nagbubura eh. I have not said any mura since nung first game, di ba, wala ka parang halos isa or dalawa lang ako nagbura nun. Kasi we were doing good.
Ang ano naman yung TikTok?
Ewan ko dyan.
Grabe ka na TikTok.
Wait lang. Yan na nga, I shall end na muna guys at naglolo ko kasi TikTok ngayon. Tomorrow I possibly have 2 collaborations bukas. One sa afternoon and one sa evening. So, yeah. Stay tuned sa I mean, to be fair, siguro, ewan ko if announce ko ba or hindi. Pero, yeah. Kasi, I might have 2 collabs tomorrow. So, yeah. Thank you to everyone. Thank you for every support that you gave me, guys. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who gifted. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of it. I will see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Good night. I hope all of you have a good night sleep, a good evening, and a great day tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Good night. Bye-bye.